Welcome students. Today we are starting our study with EVS subject, and in this subject we will learn lesson number 3, my body. So look here, this is lesson number 3, my body. In this lesson we will learn my body parts, the function of my body parts, taking care of my body parts, and then helping people who do not have some body parts. Now look here, what is it? We can see here cat, bat and boy. Now tell me, does the boy have a tail like the cat or wings like the bat? No, it's not. Do we all have the same type of body parts? No. Look here, animals, birds also their body parts, and human being also their body parts. But isn't it same? No, it's not same. We all have different body. Animals have different body, birds have their different body, and we human beings are have our different bodies. Okay, so we will see that how's the body. Okay, now look here, we can see here the boy and the girl. In the human body we can see 3 main body parts. Okay, here we can see the first part is head. First part of body is head, and the second is trunk, and the third is limbs. Okay, we have different body parts than those of animals, and here human body parts. Now look here, the head is the uppermost part and the trunk is middle part of the body, and limbs are arms and legs. Arms and legs are the limbs, we can call it limbs. Okay, and these are 3 main body parts. In these body parts, head include face, hair, forehead, eyes, mouth, neck, nose, cheeks and ears. Head is a main body part, but it has some minor body parts. We can see here eyes, ear, nose, lips, mouth, cheek, forehead, hair. These are the parts of our head. These are parts of our head. Okay, and in the second part means trunk. Trunk is also called as a torso. Okay, so it has shoulders, chest and stomach. It has shoulder, look here, shoulder, chest and stomach. This is trunk. We can also call it torso. Okay, so it's a trunk. This is the middle part of our body, and here is the last part means limbs. Limbs means our arms and our legs. We can call it limbs. Okay, so now look here, we can see our arms here. Okay, so it's our arm, and in this arm we can see here elbow, here wrist, and this is hand. On our hand we can see nails. Look here, they show the nails. Okay, and these are fingers. These are fingers. So these are the minor parts of our arm: wrist, nail, fingers, elbow. It's a minor parts of our arms. Okay. Now look here. We can see here leg. This is leg. And the circle the knee. It's a knee. Okay. And when we see the leg, look here. There are toes. It's a foot. And then nails of toes. Nails of toes here. And it's a ankle. It's a ankle. These are toes. Then nails. Okay. When we see the foot, there are some minor parts. Which are they? Toes, nails and ankle. It's a part of foot. Okay. And knee is a part of leg. So look here. We can see here a small boy. And it shows the body part. Okay. This picture shows body parts. Look here. We can see here hair. Okay. Then forehead. Can see ear. Then the mouth. This is mouth and this is tooth. Tooth means हमारे दांत. एक दांत को हम टीथ बोलेंगे लेकिन ज़्यादा है इसलिए टूथ. Now here is a neck. Then elbow, stomach, hand, knee, ankle, foot. This is leg. Now we can see here finger. It is a arm. Then it shows chest. And it's a shoulder. The nose. And it's a eyes. Okay. So we can see all body parts here in this picture. Now look here. What is here? It's a body parts and it has many important body parts. These parts helps us in many ways. Now which body part we have seen here? These body parts helps us. Okay. So how can it helps us? We will see it. First look here. What is? You can see here hair. And here keep our head warm and protected. हेयर क्या काम करते हैं? हमारा हेड वार्म रखने का और उसे प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम करते हैं. ओके. अगर आप स्कूल में गिरते हो तो आपके बालों की वजह से आपको ज़्यादा चोट नहीं लगती है अगर सर पे गिर जाते हो तो. ओके. सो इट्स हेल्प अस टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर हेड. ओके. नाउ लुक हियर. Eyes. What's the work of eyes? Eyes help us to see things around us. हमारे आमने सामने जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो देखने के लिए eyes help करते हैं. Now look here. Nose. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Breathing के लिए और smell के लिए nose help करते हैं. अभी देखो nose से हम कोई भी चीज़ अगर घर में बन रही है, माँ बना रही है खाना, तो वो हम सूंघ के पता चलता है कि क्या बन रहा है कि नहीं. और ब्रीदिंग के लिए नोज ही हेल्प करता है. उसके बाद देखो ईयर. नाउ हियर इज द एक्शन ऑफ लिसनिंग एंड ईयर्स हेल्प अस टू हियर और लिसन. ओके. नाउ लुक हियर. The next body part is mouth. Mouth help us to speak and eat. बोलने के लिए और खाना खाने के लिए हमारा माउथ हमें हेल्प करता है. Now look at teeth. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food. Yes or not? अगर हमारे दांत ही नहीं होंगे तो हम खाना खा सकेंगे क्या? No. So it help us to bite and chew the food. Then we can see a neck. Neck joins the head and the trunk. ये जो नेक है ये क्या काम कर रही है? हमारा मेन बॉडी पार्ट जो है हेड एंड द ट्रंक, इट जॉइन देम. ओके, नेक जॉइन टू द head and trunk. Now look here. Trunk, it holds all our body parts together. हमारा जो ट्रंक है ये सब बॉडी पार्ट्स एक जगह पे रखता है कि नहीं? Then limbs, we do many things with our arms and legs. Legs and toes help us to walk, run, jump and climb. हमारे जो limbs है, limbs means हमारे arms and legs means हाथ और पैर, इसे हम limbs कहते हैं. और limbs हमें क्या करते हैं? बहुत कामों में मदद करते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे legs, it helps us to walk, run, jump and climb. And then nails protect the tips of our fingers. It's a part of our hand. Nails is a part of hand and it's protect the tips of our fingers. Okay, so look here, hand help us to hold, eat and write. है कि नहीं? हमारे हाथ क्या है? कोई भी चीज़ पकड़ने के लिए, खाना खाने के लिए, लिखने के लिए हमें मदद करते हैं कि नहीं? So it's help us to eat, to write and to hold. Okay, and trunk, it holds all our body parts together. हमारे जितने भी बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं वो किससे जुड़े हैं? हमारे ट्रंक से. Okay, now look here. How we keep our body parts clean? Then you should take a bath daily. If you want to keep clean your body, then you should take a bath daily. Then you brush your teeth, wash hands with soap and water. Okay, then cut our nails regularly, wash our face, and then wash and comb our hair. If you do all these work daily or time to time, then you should keep your body clean. You can keep your body clean with the help of this work. Okay, these activities. Now look here. Second is drink lots of water. दिन भर में आपको क्या करना है? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीना है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीना है. एंड देन थर्ड, ईट हेल्दी फूड. पहले आपको आपकी बॉडी क्लीन रखनी है. देन ड्रिंक लॉट्स ऑफ वाटर एंड देन ईट हेल्दी फूड. इफ़ यू ईट हेल्दी फूड देन यू बिकम हेल्दी. ओके, स्ट्रॉन्ग. देन you should eat healthy food to keep our body strong. Now look here. Drink milk daily. Drink milk daily. Why? To be a strong boy or strong girl. So you have to drink milk daily. Okay. Now fifth option here. Exercising and playing games makes us healthy. हेल्दी फूड खाने के साथ आपको क्या करना है? प्ले गेम्स. वी शुड प्ले आउटडोर गेम्स और एक्सरसाइजेस एवरी डे. आपको आउटडोर गेम्स खेलने हैं या फिर एक्सरसाइजेस करने हैं. वाई? टू बी हेल्दी. ओके, सो लुक हियर. वी विल सी द अमेजिंग फैक्ट हियर. डू यू नो आवर नोज एंड ईयर्स ग्रो थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ. ओके, अभी देखो हम जैसे जैसे बढ़ते हैं कि नहीं, वैसे ही हमारे ईयर और हमारा नोज़ जो है वो भी थोड़ा 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 बढ़ता रहता है. ईयर्स एंड नोज़ also grow with our life. Okay, now look what is here. You can see here people who cannot walk here and see. Here are some peoples. Those cannot walk, hear or see. Okay, so we should help them. We should never make fun of them. हमें क्या करना है इन लोगों के लिए? हेल्प करनी है. वी शुड हेल्प देम. जितना हो सके हमसे उतनी हेल्प करनी है हमें. ओके, सो कोई लोग हैं जो इनको मजाक में लेते हैं या मजाक उड़ाते हैं. सो डू नॉट डू दिस एंड डू नॉट मेक फन ऑफ देम. ओके, सो request of these people and also help of these people. So today we have learnt about our body and body parts. Then we have seen that how can we take care of our body and how our body parts do its work. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. So thank you. Bye. Take care.